best AI generator applications out there. Pretty much showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So here, this section is pretty much the image generating section. So here you enter your prompt. You can either tap on this bulb icon here. Once you tap on it, it will give you ideas for you to generate. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on it. If you don't like that one, you can always tap on it to change whatever until you find something that you like. You can always tap on the auto advance if you want the image to look even more better. So it will advance the prompt for you, so you get a even more better result. So you can always tap on this circle icon down here to pretty much go back to the one that was previously used, or you can exit off here. So down here you can add a photo as far as reference as to the image that you want to generate. Down here you can also add your styles that we want to use. As you can see, here quite a lot of styles for you to use. And down here you have the models, whichever model you want to use. As you can see here you have image 3.0, sorry. Here, down here you have all types of models which you can choose from. Version 3 over here and some other models which you can choose. Also depends upon what you want, guys. So once you have selected your model, down here is pretty much all models, guys. All models. It's not just at the top here, it's over down here, and also I would say the most used ones up here at the top. So down here you may see a pro icon over some of these models, which pretty much means you need a pro subscription to use those features. So over here where you see video generation or generator, you pretty much need a subscription to access this feature. As you can see here, your subscription prices. You have a monthly subscription for $10, you have a weekly subscription for $5, and it pretty much shows you what to be getting for this. So it's a very good generator as well, not gonna lie. Down here you pretty much tap on the explore option, which you can also see what other people have generated on the application. As you can see here, the trending one over this section here. Also you see the popular ones and so forth. Once you have tapped select one of these images, you can also use the prompt that they have used to create it. So you can either use the prompt that they have used to create it, or you can even download it. So all you have to do is just tap on the image. Once you have tapped on the image, you pretty much will see a download icon, which can pretty much download that image. However, you're gonna need a pro subscription to download the image. So that's pretty much it for that there. Or you can tap on the three dots over here to pretty much download it as well. So that's pretty much it for that. And the library section, this is pretty much where you go to see all your creations within 30 days. But after 30 days, it will automatically be deleted. And in the profile section, you yourself as well can publish your creations so other people can see what you have created. Either you're using the image generator or the video generator feature. So the models, scans here will pretty much show over here. And if you tap on edit profile, you can edit the information and so forth. Upload a profile picture if you want and so forth. Nothing much for that. So if you tap on the three lines over here, as you can see, I have an active subscription, pretty much a free plan, and I can only use or generate 5 images per day. So do keep that in mind. So that's really pretty much it for the application. If I missed anything at all that you do not understand, please comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.